A customer actually came and said he was giving his child Camosunate, these two in the morning and these two at night. So the child was taking overdose, which is wrong. Okay, let's talk Camosunate. All right, we have 4 kinds of Camosunate. Can you identify them? Mothers will be able to identify some, not all. This orange Camosunate, the pink Camosunate, the blue Camosunate, and the red Camosunate. What are the differences? Now, you see this Camosunate. When you look closely, you see that it's written here, below 1 year. So this Camosunate is not for children who are above 1 year. It's only for children who are below 1 year. This one, look closely. What do you see? You see from 1 year to 6 years. So for children who are above 6 years, this is not suitable because it is now under dosage. And for children who are below 1 year, this is overdose also. So it's only for children who are between 1 year to 6 years. This one is written 7 to 13 years. So children less than 7 years cannot take this. Children older than 13 years cannot take this. You see this one? This is for children who are 14 years and also for adults. If your child is 15 years, 16 years, this is the Camosunate they are to use. So proper way to use them. When you open it up, this is what you see on the inside, right? This is for children below 1 year. This is what you see on the inside. 3 sachets with different color, like this, and like this. And when you open the one for 1 year to 6 years, this is what you see inside also. 3 sachets like this, 1, 2, and 3. So my question is, how have you been using it? You can let me know in the comments. But after you finish writing your comment, you come back and see it. Now you see, as it comes like this, what most mothers do that I have come to realize in my practice is that they cut this sachet into 2. And then when they cut it into 2, they give their child this one in the morning and give the child this one at night. Wrong. It's not correct. As these 2 come like this, cut the 2 open, and when you cut it, you pour the powder into this cap. When you pour the powder into this cap, you add 10 ml of water or 5 ml of water. 10 ml is fine so that you dilute it properly. And then you give your child these 2 sachets. You have to use them at once. You use it only once a day. It's not morning and night. So this is for 1 day. This is for the 2nd day. And this is for the 3rd day. So you take Camosunate for 3 days. 1, 2, 3. Once, and it has to be at the same time. So if you gave your child in the morning, tomorrow morning you give this one, next tomorrow morning you give this one. And that is the same way you give also for children who are below 1 year. Now let's go to the one for children between 7 years and 13 years. When you open it, it's no longer sachet. It's tablets. And as much as you would say, give me the sachet one because my child doesn't like tablet, then you shouldn't use Camosunate. Because if you're going to use Camosunate and your child is between 7 years to 13 years, then this is the one you have to use. And as it comes like this, yellow and white, you have to give your child these 2 tablets at once. And it's also once a day. So if you give these 2, let's say this morning, tomorrow morning you give these 2 at once, next tomorrow morning you give these 2 at once. You don't give yellow in the morning and give white in the night, or give white in the morning and give yellow in the night. For children from 13 years and also for adults, okay? This is what it looks like when you open it. It's plentier. So this time around it's not once a day. This time around it's 2 times a day. You take the yellow and the white in the morning. You take the yellow and the white at night, right? For 3 days. That is how you differentiate the different kinds of Camosunate, and that is how you give it, not any other way apart from this. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like this video and follow me because this is what I do on this channel. Bye.